be the greatest.
For this rice mask, you need organic rice. I use half cup of rice, which is 125 ml. Then I washed it twice for the rice to be clean enough to be used for my hair. Since this is my first time trying rice masks, I'll share some do's and don'ts when preparing and using this mask. The rice itself has lots of benefits for the hair. However, you should do your own research before using this rice mask. After washing, I transferred the clean rice into a cooking pot and I added 1 cup of water, which is 250 ml. I covered it, then I cooked it for about 20 minutes. The cooked rice should be very soft like this. Using more water when cooking the rice will help you achieve this softness. I transferred the cooked rice into a bowl, then I added aloe vera gel to it. I planted this aloe vera, by the way. You can add any oil of your choice, but since I didn't have any oil at hand, I just used the aloe vera. And aloe vera too has a lot of benefit for the hair. I mixed them together and now it's time to blend it. After blending, this is how it is looking like. I didn't add a lot of water, so it was very thick and it wasn't as smooth as I wanted it to be. This wasn't the consistency I was looking for, so when you are preparing this rice mask, you have to use more water, because when the mask is too thick, the application process will be very difficult. Trust me, I'm talking from experience. I've already pre-pulled with okra and washed my hair, so my hair is clean and somehow damp. Okra is also good for the hair. I'll link a video on how to prepare it. For easy application, I section my hair, and after the first and second application, my hair felt so nice and moisturized instantly. And I made sure each and every strand gets coated by the rice mask. I love how this mask feels on my hair. My hair was feeling so soft and moisturized, and it added a little bit of shine. I covered my hair with 2 plastic bags because I really want to trap in the heat, and I finished up with a scarf. It's actually a t-shirt, but it works fine. After about an hour, it's time to set my hair free from the heat. I was so messy with this mask. It was all over my face and neck, and guys, this happened. Thankfully, it didn't pull my hair out. I'm going to be using this mask a lot because my hair hasn't been this moisturized and soft in a while. I'm going to wash my hair. I'll be back. I'm back, guys. My hair is extremely soft and I didn't have any rice particles stuck in my hair. Look at the curl definition, the definition. I love this mask for my hair and I'll be using it again and again. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.